I'm back out here working on this Nissan Frontier truck, 2002 model. Posted a while back. I've been trying to fix it and got rough idle issues. It'll run fine just when idling. So I guess it's not really a rough idle. Missing issues, but if even at interstate speeds, it seems to run okay. Just drinks a little more gas than what it should be doing normally, but just driving about 40 miles an hour, it just shakes horrendously. So I made a post about that, and I had a couple of people respond with a suggestion, and they both had the supposedly same exact issue on their truck. Ended up being, they ended up cleaning out the EGR pathways, and it seems to take care of it. So I'm going to give that a try today, take a look at it. I had to go research to see what that was, but I'm going to see if I can figure it out and try to get a solution to this.
We'll start by removing the air filter cover and the air filter itself. After that, we'll need to remove the air intake hose and a smaller hose from the bottom of the enclosure. Due to time constraints, like it's getting cold and it's about to rain, I'm going to only loosen the throttle body. I'll come back at a later time and actually remove the throttle body and do a complete cleaning of the EGR pathways. It looks like if I just loosen the throttle body, I can get the plug that is closest to cylinder 2. I'm really concentrating on the plug that is close to cylinder 2. I'm wanting to see if that'll fix the code. If so, then I'll come back and do a better cleaning of all 4 plugs at a later time. I'll show a close-up of what I'm actually doing in just a minute. You can see the plugs here. They're the ones that will require an 8mm Allen wrench to loosen. Since the throttle body kind of moves out of the way after loosening, I can get my Allen wrench socket with an extension down in there to loosen it. Of course, as it got loose, it dropped off the Allen wrench. So I spent the rest of the daylight time trying to find and retrieve the plug. Once I got it, I was able to spray a bunch of carb cleaner down in the opening. Although I did not record it, I was able to poke a small hole into the carbon that was built up, and this seemed to get it all cleared up pretty well. I'm out here the next day. I put everything back together, and I'm going to clear the codes with my scanner.
John Matthews from Matthews Honda of Paris. At Matthews Honda, we're known for our great customer service, our no-hassle Matthews.
It is odd that I only have a P0300 at this point. I did have a P0302 before. Okay, the codes are all cleared. Let's get it started. It was a bit difficult to start. Once it did start, it had a strong odor of carb cleaner. I've got to get that belt tightened up. That squeaking's driving me crazy. But overall, it is running great. It doesn't bog down at all when I hit 40 to 50 miles an hour. And now that I know this seems to have fixed the issue, I'll take some time and do it correctly. I'm going to come back and remove all 4 plugs and clean the pathways really good. But it will be after this weekend's coming ice storm. Texas is bracing for a big mess, just like I'm sure most of the country is. Everyone stay safe and warm.